Hi, Mr. Masura here. On this video, I'd like to explain what happens when two waves overlap. This is the process called interference. It's not, when we say interference, we don't mean the waves get in the way of each other. It's just that they combine their effects. So let's take a look at these three waves in this video. This top rope represents one wave. I'll call that a flat wave. And the second one is sort of a curved wave. So the flat wave is moving to the right. The curved wave is moving to the left. This third one on the bottom shows what would happen if you had both the flat wave and the curved wave made on the same rope at the same time. So the waves are moving towards each other. So if we start the video, as the two waves get near each other, they eventually start meeting. And once they meet, they overlap and combine their effects. Because both waves are trying to make the rope move up, the combined wave, when they meet, is sort of like having the second shape built on top of the first shape. So when these two waves meet exactly, you get something like this. It's what would happen if you built the curve right on top of that flat wave. So you notice it makes the wave extra large. This increases the amplitude of the wave in something called constructive interference. Interference happens anytime two waves meet. Constructive interference happens when the two waves meet and combine to make a bigger amplitude wave. That's when the waves meet. Now, after the waves meet, they both continue moving as if they've never bumped into anything at all. So because this flat wave was moving to the right and the curved wave is moving to the left, after they meet, you should see the curved wave on the left and the flat wave on the right, on the opposite side of the way they started. So if I play this video, you can see that the two waves separate, and once again, they continue moving through the rope as if they had never bumped into anything at all. Just to sum things up, when two waves meet, they overlap their effects. That's called interference. Number two, when interference happens, it's like having both waves built on top of each other. And finally, after the waves meet, they pass through and continue moving as if they never bumped into anything at all.